Alyssa, you say on 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, here comes Alanna. Alanna, what do you got? You got a lot of rocks? One, 2, 3, go. Alyssa, you did very good. Alanna, you did great. Alanna, are you putting your hand under the water? Be very careful. We're right where the waterfalls is. We're walking. I'm walking over the bridge where the waterfalls are. I don't know if you can see it from over here. Actually, maybe you can see it better over here. There's waterfalls, and then there's a bridge that goes over the water, and then there's another waterfalls right over here, and there's where the girls are playing on the side of the water.